if I'm going to promote Clickbank on Facebook using automation, this is what I'm going to do. So on Clickbank, there are lots of digital products. My favorite here is promoting either manifestation or meditation. So let's do meditation because here meditation is very flexible. So when you type the search bar here, meditation, here you can sort high to low. So it's still related to meditation, but the highest one with the average cost per commission or the gravity score. So you just select the product that you want to promote. Let's say, for example, this one right here, third eye activation or the chakra code. Set your affiliate link. So once you have this hack link right here, copy this. Now we're going to save it somewhere. Now it's very important to have your own WordPress website because you cannot directly promote this on Facebook. You will get banned. Now here on our WordPress, let me create a new category. Suppose you have multiple items in your WordPress, it's better to create a category. So let's say if I have meditation related here, so I don't need to create one. I think I don't have it for now. So let me type, before that, I already asked Claude to provide some ideas because we will also expand this to subreddit. So this is one of my, I think, preferred meme, inner compass. We will use it as well as our category like that, the category. Now, make sure you remember the category ID. To do that, click on edit. So you will see right there the tag ID. So it's 26. I will need that later to when directly posting this to WordPress contents directly to this category. So now, next thing is set up and add inserter. So from here, select a black abs right here. So choose number, I'm choosing number 12. Then remember we have this, so I'm going to copy this and paste it right there. Now make sure you configure this correctly and we will add a HTML markup for the link. So look at this, check meditation guide. And we will enable this after paragraph and just do this, %3. So that means every third paragraph, this link will appear. And then click this list. And here in category, select the one that we just added. So tick this checkbox here. Now choose the inner compass. Now that we have here, you see this X icon. Tick this to make this in whitelist. So make sure it's tick, not the cross icon. Now save the settings. Later you will see what I set up here. Now we have this keyword tool right here. We will search meditation as our main keyword. Now look at this. These are some of the meditation keyword that we can route and post to our automation in order for us to direct the traffic to the Facebook offer, to the Clickbank offer, which is right here, the chakra code. This is just an example, so you can choose whatever offer you want to promote. Now just download this template right here, the blueprint that you can import to your make.com. So I'm just going to download this and in your make.com, create a new scenario. And then here, I'm just going to import that. Click on save. So this is the automation that we're going to use. Now, this one does not have Facebook. So instead of Pinterest, well, you can leave Pinterest right there. But let's remove this for now. And you'll just use Reddit and Facebook. But this Pinterest can be added as well if you want. So let me unlink this and delete. Now I'm going to add Facebook. And we're going to select this create post with photos. It's more attractive when it has photos. Now, since I already have my Facebook connection, guys, just a reminder, make sure you have an age Facebook account. It's a new Facebook. I think Facebook will ban your account when you are posting to a new account. So make sure it's an age account and create a page. Now, I created my sample page in my actual personal account. You can create as many pages as you want in your personal account. Now, I'm going to add photo. So the photo will be coming from this one, the generate Pinterest pin. So we can have this as photo from to be posted on Facebook. So here, select use photo URL. Now, the data will be coming from here. So see this ID tree. If you haven't run the automation, you won't see the data from the list here. So you can path that manually by doing this. Double curly bracket tree.data.image_URL because that's the output format when you generate this step right here and toast that. Now, the post caption, I want to use the short version of the generate article. Later, I will show you where we are in generating this too. So this is ID number 4. So same thing, double curly bracket 4.data.short version article and close it. All right, that's the caption. Now we want to put a link to the WordPress post. So this will create a WordPress post to get the URL or the permalink. And if we haven't run this, this is what you need to do. So hit enter once, and then now we will type. This is ID 5, so double curly bracket 5.data.link. So this is the permalink. That's it. All right, now save this. This is going to post on our Facebook page and connect that right there. We will also need to post that to Reddit. Now, there are a few things that we need to change. So first, how to generate Pinterest pin, or this is the image. Here we are using the automation from ClickChan. So click this create nano banana and you can select this new API documentation right here. And what you just need to replace is your username and secret key. So we copy the secret key, go to our automation, modify this second step right here, place your secret key and change this with your username, and that's it. Everything else here already set up. Save this. Now for generating an article post to our WordPress, I'm using Article AI Generator because it has a built-in automation. So I'm going to copy the secret key here. Same thing, update this with your secret key and your username, and everything else, you can keep them. So the keywords will be coming from our Google Sheet. Let me show you how we're going to set that up. And lastly, the WordPress. So update with your actual WordPress domain right there. And then make sure you add your username and password here. Just click on and add username and password in the credentials and save this. So you can just download this template and do the things that I modified. So after that, it's all good to go. You just need to copy the keywords here. So let me correctly get some good keywords. So let me do the questions. So here are the questions that we got from SEMrush. Make sure you review the keywords here. Remove those keywords that don't make sense. So spend some time reviewing the keywords to ensure there's no duplicate. Ask your VA or if you have assistant so that your keywords will be filtered. Now for this, let's assume that we already did that task and we will run the automation. So we also created a new subreddit, which is Inner Compass Wellness, which I'm going to copy the subreddit name, go back to the automation settings and make sure you update the subreddit display name right there. That now remember, we created a category here on WordPress and it is ID 26. Every time we run the automation, you want the post to be included in that category. So here, to do that, we're gonna insert another module, which is narrator, right here. And this one will convert the value to array because the data format of this ID should be in array. So just have it 26, save that. And now we're gonna link that here on WordPress. We will add another parameter here, which is category, and remove that. You get the value, this one here, value. All right, from this iterator. And that's it. It should include that in the new category that we added. Now, when I run this automation, make sure the Google Sheet is connected to the new spreadsheet that you created here with all the keywords you need. So remember, we have two columns here, keywords and status. Set them all to pending. We will process one keyword at a time. And after processing, here in the last step, it will be marked as done. So the next time you run the automation, it goes to the next keyword and so on. So you can put as many keywords as you want here and continue running your automation. Now, it should be good to go. When I run this, it should create a WordPress post, a Reddit, and a Facebook post. Let's do that now. I'm going to click run once. And as you can see right here, all these steps have been executed successfully. Everything has a green tick. And if you go to the Google Sheet, you will see the first keyword, what are the benefits of meditation? And you have set that to done automatically. Now we should have our Reddit post. Let me click refresh. There you go. That's our Reddit post 1 minute ago. And when you click, this is the short version article posted on Reddit. And we have the link directly to our website. So when I click that, see that this is the full version article. Then it can rank on Google because this is an SEO friendly. And we have the link going to our ClickBank offer right here. Now, we're going to check the Facebook page. So we should be having a new post here. Let me refresh. And there you go. As you can see, published by Make. So you will see right here, this is the link directly to our WordPress post as well, because you cannot post directly the ClickBank link here on Facebook. So you need to redirect that to your WordPress website or any landing page. And this is our attractive photo created by Nano Banana Benefits of Education. As you can see, once you're satisfied with the configuration of your automation here, you can set this running. For example, you want 3 posts every day. So you set that to post to every 8 hours. So that's 320 minutes. So post that every 320 minutes. You run this automation so that you will have 3 posts per day. Now you will notice on Facebook, it is not accepting the HTML tags right here. So the solution right there is here in the short version article. We're gonna strip the HTML tag. So click this text function right here and select the strict HTML right there. So this one, just make sure you drag carefully inside the parentheses of the strip HTML. So we save that. So the next thing, how do I meditate this next keyword? When you automate that, it should be properly posted on the Facebook. So let's run once more. I'm going to click run once. And look at this, again, everything has successfully run, and we're gonna check the Facebook post now. It should be fixed without the HTML tags. I'm gonna refresh this, there you go. So that's our beautiful image right there. And we have this SEO-friendly short version article. And this is the link directly to our WordPress. So when I click that, again, this is our SEO-friendly full version article from Article AI Generator. And we have the link going to the ClickBank. So when I click this, all right, there you go. That's our ClickBank offer. They are interested, they can proceed buying this product and you will earn commission. Now, let's check the Reddit post. What's our new one? How do I meditate? So when you click this, it has the same short version article summary going to our WordPress post, and this should be marked as done. And that's it, guys. So I hope you learned something from this one. If you have any question, just leave a comment below and I'll answer as quickly as I can. Thank you and see you on the next one.